Hello friends, myself Professor A. S. Mochi, Assistant Professor of Agriculture Entomology, KKWA College of Agriculture, Nasik. Today we are going to learn about the different types of antenna found in case of insect. Generally, the insect have a single pair of antenna which is present on their head capsule, and this is the nothing but the typical structure of antenna. In that there is a the basal segment is scape, then middle segment is pedicel, and last segment is flagellum. Means the insect antenna have a scape, pedicel, and flagellum are the three most important structure. The insect have a single pair of antenna and they perform a various function in the insect. But according to the insect or different orders of the insect having a different types of antenna, there are the some of the modification is there for their antenna for the special purpose. So let us see one by one which are the different types of antenna found in case of insect. This is the diagrammatic representation of the different types of antenna found in case of insect. In that, Cetaceous, filiform, moniliform, capitate, lamellate, stylate, flavellate, clavate, geniculate, serrate, bipectinate, plumose, aristate. These are the different types of antenna found in a different insect. Let us see one by one. This is the one of the table form of different types of antenna found in case of insect with their example. In that, the first one is filiform type of antenna. This filiform type of antenna is nothing but the one of the thread-like antenna, and that antenna found in case of grasshopper and ground beetle. Means there is a thread-like structure or there is a thread-like types of antenna found in case of the different insect. In that, the grasshopper having a filiform type of antenna and the ground beetle have also a filiform type of antenna. Next one is cetaceous. Cetaceous means nothing but the hair-like or whip-like or bristle-like antenna. That antenna found in case of a cockroach. Both male and female cockroach have a cetaceous type of antenna. Then the bristle-like, also called as cetaceous, this type of antenna also found in case of a dragonfly and damselfly. This is the microscopic photograph of a dragonfly head and having a cetaceous or bristle-like antenna. This is nothing but the moniliform type of antenna. That antenna having a bead-like or necklace-like, and this type of antenna found in case of a thrips, fly, and termites. This is a termites. This is the adult, and this one is a their worker stage having a moniliform type of antenna. This is a thrips, and this is a fly having also moniliform type of antenna. Then serrate type of antenna. Serrate means saw-toothed or saw-like antenna. This type of antenna found in case of mango stem borer, jewel beetle, click beetle, and pulse beetle, having a serrated type of antenna. That antenna called as a serrate or saw-toothed like antenna. This is a click beetle having a serrate antenna. Then jewel beetle having a serrate antenna. Then there is a Winnie patent antenna found in case of a male Marbelli silk moth and mustard swordfly. There is even a comb-like structure. It is found at one side of their antenna. That antenna called as Winnie patent antenna. The antenna found in a male mulberry silk moth and a mustard swordfly. Then this antenna is also found in case of a fireflies. The insect having a coleopteran insect, pectinate antenna having a comb-like shape at a one side. That antenna called as a pectinate, also found in case of a fireflies. Then a bipectinate antenna. The name itself indicates that there is a double comb-like structure found at both side of the antenna, and that antenna found in case of a female mulberry silk moth. Next one is the clavate type of antenna. That antenna is nothing but the club-like antenna. That antenna found in case of a different beetles and also moth and butterfly also. Blister beetles, carrion beetle, moth and butterfly having a this type of antenna or a clavate type of antenna. This is a capitate antenna. Nothing a knob-like antenna found in case of a beetle or butterfly and moth. This is a sap beetle, and this one is a red rust flower beetle having a capitate type of antenna. Then next one is the lamellate type of antenna. It is nothing but the plate-like or leaf-like structure. The antenna should look like a plate-like or a leaf-like. That antenna found in case of a dung roller, rhinoceros beetle, and June beetle means this type of antenna found in mostly coleopteran insect having a coleoptera order. This is a dung roller, rhinoceros beetle, and June beetle having a lamellate or plate-like antenna. This is a lamellate or plate-like antenna. This is a scarab beetle. Next one is a geniculate antenna. This is a elbow-like antenna found in case of a hymenopteran insect. That insect have a poisonous secretion, and in that hymenoptera order having a ants, wasps, and honeybees, and these insect have a geniculate type of antenna. This is a honeybee, then weevil and wasp having a elbow-like structure in that antenna. That structure called as a geniculate type of antenna. Next one is the aristate antenna. That antenna, it is nothing but the bristle-like antenna, and these aristate antenna found only in a one insect. That insect is a nothing but the adult housefly. That adult housefly having a aristate type of antenna. Next one is a antenna of the mosquito. In mosquito there are the two different types of antenna as per their sexes. In that male there is a plumose type of antenna, and in that female there is a pilose type of antenna. There is a brush-like or feather-like structure present at one or both side of that mosquito. In female there is at one side feather or brush-like appearance, that antenna called as pilose type of antenna, and in that male there is a we can say that the dark mob of the feather or brush-like structure. In case of male mosquito, that antenna called as plumose type of antenna. This is a female mosquito, and this one is a male mosquito. The male having a plumose type of antenna, and female having a pilose type of antenna. Next one is a flavellate type of antenna. That antenna is nothing but a tongue-like appearance. The segment of the flagellum are produced into long and thick tongue-like projection. That structure found in case of male stylopid, and that antenna called as a flavellate type of antenna. These are the different types of antenna found in case of insect according to their orders or according to different species of the insect. There are some of the functions of antenna found in case of a insect. In that, to feel and locate its way, then to detect the danger and locate their foods, to find the opposite sex for copulations, to communicate to each other, to smell, bear olfactory organs, to perceive the sound cordontal organs, to serve secondary sexual character. It possesses hydrophuse hairs to form an air funnel. It possesses taste hairs occurs on the antenna. It helps in mating by holding the opposite sex, and it also used for the clasping the female during their copulation. These are different functions of antenna as per the insect. Okay, this is the different types of